Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, Windows 11 looks pretty cool, clean and modern, but sometimes you want your desktop to feel more personal. Custom folder icons are a great way to do that. They help you organize your files better and make important folders stand out instantly. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to change folder icons in Windows 11, and it's actually much easier than you might think. So first we need a new icon. Um, right now, basically, we have some icons in our program right here. So you will see that we have some folders right over here, but they are more Windows based. So what Windows have inside. Now what we can do is go here to iconarchive.com, and when you are here, press and type in file, and it will open up some options that we can uh, download. Now you just need to find what icon is you like. So for example, let's say this one right here. Um, if I click here, all download files, you will see Windows, Mac. So it's important if you are on Windows, download ICO. If you are on Mac, download ICNC. So click on ICO, it will download, open up. So now you see it right over here. The best thing is that you put this folder somewhere that you won't delete it. So for example, maybe to documents or something, or make special folder for that. Now what we need to do is we go back here to this folder which we want to change the look of it, go to properties, and here we will choose customize right over here, and then folder icons, choose icon. Now look for icons in this file, click here on browse, and I leave it right over here, so I will do that and open up right like so. Click OK, apply, and now as you can see here, my folder changed. I hope that you see it. And this is basically how you can uh, change the look of your folders. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.